Did you know that in Adobe Express, you can actually see all of your layers at once in your timeline? So right now I'm switching through on the right-hand side, each layer, and seeing the different duration for each image. But what I want to do is see them all together so that I can stagger them visually and see how they look accordingly. So how do I see all my layers at once? Well, first off, you need to make sure you can see your timeline. So in this view, go to Edit Timeline, open that up, and you'll get the whole timeline view. And then you need to go over here to Switch Views. This is the key. So hit that, and you're going to go up to All Layers. Now I can see all of my layers that I have and where they start, where they end, and I can edit accordingly. So here I have my background. It's the full length of the video, and then I have this one coming in first, leaving first, and so on. So now I could trim the length of them accordingly, and I find it really nice to work like this because this is how I'm used to working in my other Adobe software. So this is super useful. And if I want to switch back, I can just go back to Switch Views. I can go back to my selected layer view. That's how I work day in and day out. And then I can also switch to Scene View, which isn't relevant for this video, but it's also good to know if you're creating a video with multiple scenes. So let's go back. We'll go to Selected Layer. And just remember, you can always switch views if you need to. I hope that you found this useful. If you did, check out my playlist in Adobe Express for more like this. And thank you for watching.
If you want to support me and see what I've been working on, check out my Explainer video channel.